Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Guess what day it is? It is a Stitch Fix day. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will leave a description down in the description bar. Stitch Fix is a styling service, $20 styling fee. You get 5 items. They send it to you. You try them on. You keep what you like. That $20 goes towards anything that you wish to keep, and send back what you don't like. So let's dig into the box. So we have our return mailer. Anything you do not want to keep goes in the mailer and goes right back. It's already paid, and shipping is free both ways. You get a shop by category card. This is a feature that they have on their app that allows you to buy from, they call it Shop Your Looks. So it allows you to shop your looks. It's items that they have curated for you that you can shop directly and don't have to wait for the box. And then let's see what else we have in here. We have our bundle. And this is what our bundle looks like today. So we have some collar and it looks like some denim. Let's look at this end too. We have a piece here that's falling out. Looks like we have some neutral color print there as well. So I'm really excited about this box or this bundle. I did get the preview. They are starting this new preview feature for some of their customers that allows you, they send you 10 preview items and you can choose up to 5 of those items for them to send to you. If you don't choose 5 items, let's say you choose 3 items, they will send you those 3 items and then they will send you an additional 2 items that they have chosen for you. But you don't get to preview those again, they just send them to you. So I did get to preview this, so I am excited about what's in this bundle. Let's see what else we have in here. We have a pair of shoes, which I also have a good idea of what they look like, so we will see. And then you have your envelope, and this will have your style note as well as styling cards that gives you ideas on how to wear your items that are in your box. And then you will also have your invoice. They do have a discount program, and let's see, it's if you purchase all 5 items, you will receive a 25% off discount. So this is my 12th fix, so good times. Been doing this for about a year or so through my YouTube channel. So if you have missed my previous fixes, I will create a playlist and I will link it up above. So let's dig into the shoes, shall we? All right, so we have some wedges, which is something I was looking for. And they are a very cute, not a really high heel wedge. They are very casual. They are gray here in the front, 2 straps and a strap in the back that does look like, is it Velcro? No, it looks like it is a actual clip there. So I'm excited to try these on. I do like this type of style of shoe. I feel like it's very neutral. You can wear it with dresses, with shorts, with jeans, whatever. So I did preview this and ask them to send it to me. So we will see how those go and how those fit. All right, so we have, is this a polka dot? Okay, this is kind of like a, oh, maybe it's a Dalmatian print. I don't know. Okay, so this is by Fortune and Ivy. I think I saw this on another YouTuber's channel. Very neutral color. It's a dress. It is a wrap style in the top, and then it looks like it's going to come to about the knee. It does have a little bit of a tie here. That is a faux wrap, but it does have a little tie there for the illusion that there is a wrap, a little bit of a flutter sleeve. I like this collar, very neutral, very pretty, and it feels very comfortable. And I did like it on, I believe it was Tara and Denise's page, if I recall, and because I think I commented on it that it looked really pretty on her. And then when I saw it in my preview, and I was like, well, I've got to try that. I mean, because what are the odds that they're going to send me that? And, you know, and I had indicated to her that I liked it. So I thought that was kind of funny. All right, so then we have another pretty red dress. Very pretty. Again, it does have that faux wrap. This is like a red and white floral Nothing too extravagant here. It is sleeveless. It does feel very comfortable. It looks like you could wear it on the weekend. I could also get away with wearing it to work. In these warmer months, I am almost finished with work, but I would definitely wear that when we go back in August as well. Couple pair of shorts, which I'm in need of. These are Cosmic Blue Love. Never tried that brand, but these are some distressed shorts with a cuff, which I like. And the cuff is tabbed, which is a good thing. So distressed in the front and in the back a little bit. And then we have some olive green shorts. Again, very neutral, very classic. You could wear this with just about anything. These are Market and Spruce. So I think we're ready to try on. I will go grab a t-shirt from upstairs and we'll get busy. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here we are with the first pair of shorts, and I also have on the sandals. So the shorts are very comfortable. They fit me very well. I feel like the inseam is a good inseam for me. No concerns around the waist. They have pockets. They're very neutral, very casual. You could wear them with anything. They are very cute, and I like them. So let me know what you think. I need to look in the closet and see what I would wear with them because, you know, typically I'm more of a jean shorts kind of girl, but like I said, you can really wear these with just about anything. You can dress it up, dress it down. This is just a shirt that I have from Torrid from several years ago. I mean, it looks fine with it too. Not sure that I would wear them together, but I mean, it looks okay with it. So let me know what you think. I like them. Not sure how much wear I would get out of them. And of course, it always depends on the price. So you guys will see the price. I will not. Let me go ahead and show you the shoes. Okay, so here you can see the shoes. They are a light gray with a larger strap there towards upper ankle and a smaller strap there towards the toes. They are very comfortable. They do have a side, I don't know what you call that type of closure, but I did find them a little bit difficult to get on. I found that when I tried to slip them in the bracket back there, it would often fall out of the hole. So that made it a little bit harder to get on, but very comfortable. I'm not sure that they're for me. This top strap here is a little bit tight on me, but otherwise the height of the heel is nice. I like the style. I think they're very casual. Again, they're not too dressy. They're not too casual. They're kind of right there in the middle, and you could wear them with pretty much anything. So again, I will leave the price down below for you guys so that you know. I will leave it down below on the screen and then as well as in the description box, so that if you want to request them, you can. So let's try on the next pair of shorts. Okay, next up, the jean shorts. And I like these a lot. I feel like they are very much more my style than the green ones, although I do feel like the green ones are cute and that I would wear them, just not as often as I would throw these on in the summer. Again, a little bit of distressing. They are cuffed here. They are tabbed here so that that cuff would be less likely to come down. However, I did have to fix the cuff in the back already when I tried them on, as they did have a tendency to kind of fall down. But they fit me nicely around the waist. There's plenty of room here in the thigh area. They are a length that I like. The green ones were a little bit longer, and I feel like I prefer a shorter inseam. Whether or not other people like to see me in the shorter inseam, I don't know. And frankly, I don't really care. So if I like them, that's all that matters, right? So what do you guys think? I think they're cute. Just a little bit of distressing, not too much going on there. I like the cuff. I like the length. All right, these might be a keeper. I'm excited to see how much they are. I hope they're not too expensive. All right, I'll be right back with the dresses. Here we have dress number one. So I loved this dress on Tara and Denise. If you have not checked out her channel, you need to go check it out. And I think I love it on me as well. Obviously, it's going to look a little bit better once I have a tan, but this collar is very flattering. I like the flutter sleeves. I think those are very cute, very flattering. I love the little detail. I like the V-neck. I'll get a little closer so you can see the pattern. And if this is indeed a Dalmatian or some other sort of animal print, I'm usually not one to like animal print, but I feel like these look more like dots, I guess. I don't know, but I like it. But I like the V-neck. I like the faux wrap. The bow here on the waist is very cute. I feel like the dress just kind of flows over this tummy area very flatteringly, if that's a word. Let's see the back. Now, I am a little bit concerned about the clinginess here in the back. Let me know what you think about that. If it's too clingy, or let me know what you think. So it does hit right at the knee. Again, a good length. You could throw this on the weekend with a pair of flat sandals, wear it with a pair of heels, or another pair of sandals, or a different pair of sandals, or even boots in the fall would look cute with this as well. So I feel like it's very versatile, it's very comfortable, very soft, and I feel like it's very flattering. So I'll be anxious to see what you guys think. I'll be right back. We have one more dress. All right, so here is our last item. I feel like my stylist Brittany did a great job. Again, very pretty red and white dress. I think this is a red or more orangish red, I guess. But I do like again, the V-neck, the faux wrap look there. I'll let you see the pattern if you can see the color a little bit better. There we go. It is a little bit higher waisted. It just kind of flows over the body. It is sleeveless, but it comes down just a little bit there on the shoulder. So it's, you know, bra friendly, which is always a plus. It is a little bit tighter in here, but not uncomfortably so. I'm not sure what the back looks like or if that's too clingy. This one is lined. It does have a reddish orange lining there, a little bit dressier. But again, I would wear this on the weekend, throw it on with some flip-flops or some sandals to run out to the store or whatever. I feel it's very comfortable. So again, it hits right at the knee. I think it's cute. I like this collar on me as well. Gosh, this was a good box. Good job, Brittany. So let's talk prices. I'll be right back. What a great box. Brittany did a great job on this box. I mean, I really liked everything. I mean, I could keep everything really. It all fit. Everything was comfortable. I liked everything. I didn't love everything, but I liked everything, and I think I would get use out of it. So, I mean, you never know. This might be my very first 5 for 5. I don't know. So let's go ahead and read the stylist note. Since I didn't get to read it earlier, let's go ahead and dig into that. Hello, Cindy, and happy Fix Day. I'm thrilled to be styling your Fix again and wanted to say how helpful your comments and feedback were. I hope you enjoyed the Fix preview, and I cannot wait to hear what you think of the pieces you've picked out. I tried my best to stay as close to your preferred pricing with what was in our inventory at this time and also aligned with your requests and style. These Market and Spruce shorts are bound to be a new favorite. Pair with the Paper Moon blouse from your April Fix and a pair of sandals and you'll be set. Let me know how the fit is on the shorts. Try pairing the Report footwear wedges with the Gilli knit dress and you'll be set for vacation. It's been a joy styling you again. I hope you enjoy your Fix and I look forward to hearing from you. Best, Brittany. Well, that's a good idea. I could have definitely paired those shorts with my blouse that I purchased in April. That would have looked cute as well. Actually, I did think about that when I was up in my closet trying to find a shirt to go with the jean shorts and the olive colored shorts. But anyway, So you have styling cards on here as well. I always take a look at these, and I always look at the Shop Your Looks also has an area in which they will use items that you have purchased and they will style it with different things that you can purchase from Stitch Fix. But I have found that you can go there as well and get styling ideas of things you might already have in your closet. So let's get right on to pricing. Okay, so this is the Gilli dress she was referring to. This is in red. It is a 1X. It is $58. This is a possibility. I did like it. I think I will get a lot of wear out of it. I do feel like it is more work wear than casual wear, and I'm kind of looking for more casual wear right now, but I did like it and I would get a lot of use out of it, I feel like. Then we have the next dress. This is the Fortune and Ivy mustard collar, and this is $48. I think this is going to be a yes. I'm going to wear it, try it on for my husband and see what he thinks, but I did really like that one. The shorts that are Market and Spruce, these are $54 in olive. Again, pretty reasonable price. The Cosmic Blue Love in Indigo, these were $58. These are probably going to be a definite keeper. And then the wedges are $65. So not bad. I mean, you would probably pay this somewhere like Shoe Carnival or whatever for a pair similar to this as well. So I did like them. I did feel like this strap though was a little bit tight on me. So let's see. So my whole box would be $283 if I were to purchase everything without the discount. And then with the discount, you save $70.75. And then you have your styling fee, which is $20 off. Shipping is free, which makes the entire box $192.25. Not too bad. So again, I don't think I'm going to keep everything. I am thinking of two pieces, the jean shorts and the mustard colored dress. I did really, really like those two. So I'm going to try those on for my husband, see what he thinks. And of course, I want to hear what you guys think. Should I consider the whole box? What do you think? Did everything look exceptionally well on me this time? So I was really happy with this box. So again, if you want to try Stitch Fix, I do have a referral code down in the description box. That is usually $25. You would get a $25 credit. I would get a $25 credit as well. So if you like this kind of content and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit your notification bell and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I do have a Wantable box sitting behind me as well as a trunk club, so those are coming up soon. Again, book reviews are coming up as well through the months of June and July. I'm hoping to upload twice a week. It might be a book review, it might be bookish items, it might be hauls, it might be unboxings, but since I am off a little bit over the summer, I do hope to do those for you guys and give you some additional content. So I love having you guys here. I love having your comments. I love getting your feedback. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out.